to speak one of the most important goals is the Sustainable Development Goal 16, peace, justice and strong institution. In a world that is often marked by conflict, violence and injustice, Goal 16 shines as a beacon of hope. It calls for the promotion of peaceful, inclusive societies, access to justice for all, and building strong, uncountable institutions. But what does that really mean? Let's break it down.
Peace and harmony, the foundation of Goal 16. At the heart of Goal 16 is the idea of peace. Peace is not just absence of war. It is the presence of harmony, understanding and respect in our communities. It means living in a world where people resolve their differences through conflict or through dialogues or cooperation instead of conflict or violence.
However, peace cannot survive without justice. For peace to last, we need systems that protect people's rights and ensure that people are treated fairly under the law. Unfortunately, millions around the world faces discrimination, violence and inequality. In some places, people are denied to access courts, corruption erodes the government and institutions.
Justice means giving every person, no matter from their status or wealth. Without justice, peace becomes fragile, broken by the feelings of injustice and anger. Strong institutions building a framework for peace. Lastly, Goal 16 calls for building strong institutions. These institutions are police, court, government, and even schools plays a critical role in maintaining peace and justice.
But now the question arises, why Goal 16 matter to all of us? You might wonder that why Goal 16 matter to me? I am just a person, but the truth is Goal 16 isn't just for government and international organizations. It's for all of us. We can contribute by promoting peace in our communities, whether it is in our school, neighbors or online. We can advocate by standing up for those who are treated unfairly or denied for their rights.
That means we must have to take action. Goal 16 is not just about solving global conflicts. It's about building a world where peace, justice and strong institutions become the foundation of the society.
So let's commit to making peace a part of our daily life and making it fair for each and every person.
In doing so, we can create the world where peace and harmony are not just goals but the reality.
Thank you.
बंद करें, हाथ जोड़ के और मेरे साथ शांति मंत्र का उच्चारण करें। शांति पृथ्वी, शांतिरापः, शांतिरोषधयः, शांति वनस्पतयः, शांति विश्वे देवः, शांति ब्रह्म शांति, शांति सर्व शांति, शांतिरेपः, श्यामा शांतिरेधि, ओम शांति, ओम शांति, शांति।